This is my new gmktec mini PC, and today I'm excited to do an unboxing with you. Take a look at how small the box is. This one is the G3 Plus N150 that comes preloaded with Windows 11. This thing is so small I can hold it in the palm of my hand. Okay, so let's check out all the ports. Here we have two USB ports, so I can plug in a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse. We also have a power button here. And I assume there's a fan inside, so these vents will help keep this machine from heating up. And then around back, we have the first of two HDMI ports, so I can have a dual monitor set up for my workspace. And then here we have another two USB-A ports, so I can connect a hub and maybe a charger. And this is where the power gets connected. And then here we have an audio jack, so I can connect my headphones and listen to music or go on a Zoom call while I work. And let's remove this sticker here. So this is an RJ45 port in case I want to hardwire any mini PC to my local network using an Ethernet cable. The sticker says do not connect to the local network until everything is set up, but I won't have to worry about that because I'll just connect to the internet via the Wi-Fi. And this tiny little slot here allows you to lock down your mini PC to your desk with a lock cable. Okay, so flipping this mini PC over to the bottom, I see that the bottom has these four little paddings, one on each corner, so if you're going to place the mini PC directly onto your desk, it won't scratch up your desk. And the little legs will also raise the mini PC up a tiny bit to allow air to flow through the bottom vents as well. And we also have these little hook holes in case I end up mounting this onto the wall. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is measure this box because I can't believe how tiny it is. Looks like it's 4.5 inches across and just a tiny bit over 4 inches on the other side. So it's not a perfect square, but nevertheless, it's amazing how compact this little computer is. We sure have come a long way from those tower PCs that were popular 10, 20 years ago. The other thing I'm blown away by is how light this mini PC is. It's so light I can hold it just with my thumb and index finger. Anyhow, let's see what else this mini PC comes with. Let's open up this envelope. Okay, so it looks like this is a user guide that comes in many different languages. There's some diagrams and written instructions, which I'm not going to bore you with right now, so I'll go through that later. Next, we have two smaller boxes inside. The first one contains an HDMI cable. That's awesome. And we have a mount with some screws in case I want to mount my mini PC up on the wall. That's pretty convenient too. And for the second box, we have the power adapter and cable. And let's check this card out. Okay, it's the warranty card, and there's also a QR code to contact them. So that's pretty much everything. In a follow-up video, I'll come back to show you the setup.